Queridos estudiantes, buenos días. El día de hoy vamos a empezar la clase con la oración. Me siguen, por favor. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Dios Padre Todopoderoso, te imploro hoy como cada día que no me desampares, y cuando se ciernen sobre mí las adversidades, es cuando más te necesito a mi lado. Soportaré las tempestades y sé que estás ahí para apoyarme. Superaré cada prueba y sostendré cada carga que tú me des, si está tu mano para apoyarme. Haz corto y de paso rápido este trecho sombrío, calma la tormenta e ilumina mi sendero. Llévame a la paz y a la tranquilidad, te pido de corazón, Dios mío. Hoy más que nunca, queridos chicos, les pido que nos unamos en oración y con mucha devoción le recemos a Él para que nuevamente podamos estar juntos y que todas las personas que se encuentran enfermas alrededor del mundo pues puedan encontrar la cura y su pronta recuperación. In the name of the Father, and of the Son, and of the Holy Spirit. Amen. Today we're gonna work on your book and in your notebook. Okay? Let's see about climate and hydrography of the Andean region. First, we're gonna watch a video about the Andean volcanoes and landscape. The climate in the Andes varies according to altitude. It means the higher, the colder. Here, as you can see, you have some important volcanoes: Tungurahua, Chimborazo, Ilinizas, Corazón, Atacazo, Rucopichincha, Rumiñahui, Sincholagua. There, far away, you can find the Cotopaxi. In the highland region, you can also find some water resources like rivers, lakes, and glaciers. Okay, let's continue. In your book, you are gonna answer the first question. It says, what have you heard about the following aspects of the Andean region? You have 3 aspects to be considered. Excuse me. You have climate, rivers, and lakes. You are gonna write 2 characteristics of each one. You can use adjectives to describe them. Okay? When you finish this exercise, you are gonna continue with the reading on page number 98. Here, you are going to find some information about water resources in the Interandean region. In this case, you have the rivers. The characteristics of rivers in the Interandean region are: they originate from the melting ice and fed by the rainwater. They are rocky and torrential. That's why they are not navigable. The main rivers are Guayabamba, Chimbo, Chanchan, Cañar, and Jubones. Its watershed is in the Pacific Ocean. You also have other important rivers like Cutuchi, Patate, Paute, and Nagaritza. These rivers belong to Amazon region watershed. Okay, here you have another important water resource, that is the glaciers systems. The characteristics of this resource is that you can find in the highest mountains of the Andes, like Cotopaxi, Ilinisas. Its main characteristic is that they are snow-capped with ice, and its water resource is used for human consumption, agricultural, and industrial uses. Here you have the lakes. The lake systems are very important in our country. They are made up of many lakes of different shapes and sizes. They are very important because they are a touristic resources. Some of these lakes are San Pablo, Cuicocha, Yaguarcocha, Jambo, among others. Here you have a representation of the climatic floors. You have the dry temperate. Its characteristic is that is low-lying areas. They are located in the ollas and valleys. For example, in El Chota, Guayabamba, and Patate. You have the temperate semi-humid. Its main characteristics are that they are found in the valleys at around 2,000 meters above sea level. They have little rainfall, and you can find this climatic zone, in Ibarra, Gualaceo, and Loja. Then you have the temperate semi-humid. The territories between 2,500 meters and 3,000 meters above sea level are found here in this zone. Most of the provincial capitals have this climate. Its main characteristic is that you can find rains more often. Then you have the high mountain called humid. Its altitudes above 3,000 meters. Its characteristic is because it has irregular rainfall and is most mostly found in El Páramo. Finally, you have the glacial. It encompasses the high peaks of the Andes Mountains above 4,000 meters above sea level. Its temperature is always below zero. And you have perpetual snowfall. Okay, in this page, you are gonna complete the exercise representing graphically each of the climate zones of the Interandean region. You are gonna write a brief description and their characteristics. In exercise 2, you are going to identify 3 characteristics of the rivers of the Interandean region. You can use the information given in this video, or you can look for more information in your book. Okay. Now it's time to write the information in your notebook. You are gonna write the date, the topic, objective, and vocabulary words. If you have new vocabulary, please you can write it down. Here you have the graphic organizers of this topic. You are going to write this information also in your notebook. Here you have the climate of the Interandean region, also in a mind map, and you are going to copy on your notebook. Finally, you are going to paste a rubric, and I'll see you next class. I hope you the best. I missed you. Thank you. Bye-bye.